Hey everyone, today we're going to be making pom-pom hedgehogs. You're going to want to grab some markers, a glue stick, and some scissors. Everything else you need will be in your kit. The first thing we're going to do is cut out our hedgehog template. Then we're going to move on and cut out our pom-pom template. And now we're going to use a marker and trace this template onto the thick cardboard, and then you can go ahead and cut that out as well. Now I'm going to grab a marker that somewhat matches the yarn that I have. You can use whatever color you want, and I'm going to color the body of my hedgehog. And then once I'm done coloring the body, I'm going to flip it over and color the backside of the template where the head is, so that when we roll the face and glue it together, that the color's on the right side. Now I'm going to fold the face on the dotted lines and use my glue stick to glue this together. You're going to fold it so that the face is in a cone shape. Now you can see there are two little black marks on the side of the hedgehog's body. You're going to take your scissors and just cut those and make two little slits. Now with the black marker, I'm going to add on the hedgehog's face by drawing on two eyes and a little nose at the end. If you have googly eyes at home and want to use those, you can go right ahead and you can get really creative with this part and make your hedgehog look however you want. Now I'm going to take my yarn and the pom-pom template, and first I'm just getting some yarn out of my spool there, and I'm going to start wrapping this around the template. And you're going to want to wrap this around the half of the template that has that empty slit in the middle of it. The more yarn you use, the thicker your pom-pom will be. as you can see, I am leaving a little bit of yarn at the end there. I'm going to cut that off, and I'm actually going to make 2 pieces from this, so I'm just going to cut it in half, and we'll end up using both of these. The first piece you're going to take and you're going to thread this around the big ball of yarn you have on the template. So this is why you need to use the half with that space in the middle. You're going to wrap that 1 piece of yarn around and tie a couple really tight knots. You can trim the extra, and now just slide it off of the template. And now where you have the loops, you're going to take your scissors and cut the loops to make your pom-pom nice and fluffy. And now that you have a pom-pom shape, you can use your scissors and trim any long pieces or shape it however you want. Now we're going to use that second piece of yarn and wrap it around the pom-pom. And we are going to find those little slits and pull the yarn through the slits. So it's going over your pom-pom, through the slits and underneath your hedgehog, and tie another couple really tight knots there to secure it. And again, trim the excess off of there. And fluff up your pom-pom and give it a little trim where it needs. And there you go. Now you have your very own pom-pom hedgehog. Thanks for joining me. As always, if you do this craft and want to share a picture, tag us at MHPublicLibrary on Facebook or Instagram. We'd love to see. Bye.